Eagle Prime is a massive 16-foot-tall, 12-ton combat robot created by the American company Mecha-Morphis Inc. It was built specifically for entertainment purposes, particularly to take part in the world's first real-life giant robot battle. Powered by a 430-horsepower V8 engine, Eagle Prime is operated by two pilots, one for driving and one for controlling its weapons. The robot moves on heavy-duty tank treads and features non-lethal sport-style weaponry, including a giant chainsaw arm and a pneumatic cannon that can launch massive projectiles like giant paintballs. Eagle Prime was unveiled in 2017 as the upgraded version of Mecha-Morphis' earlier model, the Mark II, in response to a challenge issued by a Japanese robotics company, Suitobashi Heavy Industry. This challenge led to a high-profile duel between Eagle Prime and Suitobashi's robot, Kuratas. The fight was pre-recorded and broadcast online, showcasing several rounds of robot-on-robot combat inside an industrial arena. EST Tetro, the shape-shifting robot that cleans stairs autonomously. The EST Tetro, often referred to as the Stair Tetris robot, is an innovative autonomous cleaning device specifically designed to tackle staircases, a task often overlooked by traditional cleaning robots. What sets the EST Tetro apart is its unique shape-shifting capability, allowing it to adapt to stairs of varying shapes and sizes. Composed of modular segments that can connect and disconnect, the robot can adjust its form dynamically. It can extend to span wide steps or contract to maneuver narrow staircases with ease. This flexibility ensures thorough and efficient cleaning across a wide range of stair designs. To navigate and clean effectively, the EST Tetro is equipped with an array of advanced sensors, including cameras, lasers, and ultrasonic detectors. These sensors enable the robot to detect obstacles, map its surroundings, and perform cleaning tasks autonomously with precision. Currently, the EST Tetro remains in the research and development phase, and no official pricing has been announced. AirPod Smart Napping Pod, a futuristic space for rest and relaxation. The AirPod Smart Napping Pod is a cutting-edge relaxation capsule designed to offer a comfortable and private environment for napping or unwinding in public spaces, such as airports, train stations, or even office settings. This self-contained, soundproof pod is equipped with advanced features that enhance the power nap experience. Inside, the pod features an ergonomically designed reclined seat with adjustable headrest and footrest, providing full-body support and allowing users to stretch out comfortably. Its spacious interior, paired with integrated air conditioning and heating systems, ensures a consistently comfortable temperature regardless of external conditions. While the AirPod Smart Napping Pod is not yet available for personal purchase, its innovative design represents a significant step toward redefining rest in modern, fast-paced environments. Willow X. This is a humanoid robot developed by the French robotics company Pollen Robotics. It is the advanced successor to their earlier robot, Ricci, and is designed for general-purpose assistance and human interaction. Willow X is highly versatile, featuring a full humanoid form with two robotic arms and a mobile base, allowing it to move around environments like homes, offices, or labs. What makes Willow X stand out is its open-source software and hardware design, which encourages developers and researchers to customize and improve its capabilities. Equipped with AI and a vision system, Willow X can recognize objects, understand its surroundings, and perform various tasks such as grabbing objects, assisting with communication, or even acting as a mobile telepresence unit. It's also cloud-connected, enabling real-time control or remote collaboration. Pollen Robotics aims to make Willow X a platform for developing future personal robots that are safe, interactive, and capable of helping humans in everyday situations. While it's still under development, Willow X showcases the future of robotics where machines can assist, learn, and work alongside people in meaningful ways. Box LED, a mobile LED advertising solution. The Box LED is a digital advertising van developed by Screen LED, built on a customized Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. It features 3 high-brightness LED screens positioned on the rear and both sides of the vehicle, designed for maximum visibility, even in direct sunlight. Capable of displaying dynamic content including videos, images, text, and animations, the Box LED transforms mobile advertising into a powerful and flexible marketing tool. Its 3-sided screen configuration ensures that promotional messages can be viewed from multiple angles, significantly increasing audience reach. SP80, a revolutionary sailboat built for speed. The SP80 is a groundbreaking sailing vessel engineered to break the world sailing speed record. Measuring 10 meters in length and 7 meters in width, this innovative hydrofoil-powered boat is propelled not by sails, but by a high-performance kite. Connected to the boat via a 40-meter line, the kite can soar up to 200 meters in height, harnessing strong wind currents to drive the vessel forward at remarkable speeds. The SP80's hydrofoil design lifts the hull above the water's surface, drastically reducing drag and enabling it to reach speeds of up to 50 knots, 93 kilometers per hour. This radical departure from traditional sailing leverages both cutting-edge engineering and sustainable propulsion. Although the SP80 is not currently available for purchase, it represents a bold step toward the future of high-speed, eco-friendly maritime travel. Mecha-Morphis, a wearable CNC machine, merging human dexterity with robotic precision. The Mecha-Morphis is an innovative wearable CNC, computer numerical control, machine designed to be mounted on the body, typically on the arm or shoulder, enabling users to control a compact, computer-guided cutting tool with exceptional precision. Operated through joysticks or other input devices, this technology allows for intuitive, hands-on interaction with the physical world. Still in the early stages of development, wearable CNC machines like Mecha-Morphis have the potential to transform how we design, fabricate, and manipulate materials. By combining the advanced accuracy of CNC machinery with the natural dexterity and flexibility of human movement, users can create intricate, complex forms with far greater control than traditional stationary CNC systems allow.